you've been struggling to make a table in Microsoft Excel, make sure that you watch the entire video to understand how. The first thing to do is to input your values. In this case, I am using these values, and always your values should have headers. For instance, I have fruits, quantity, price, and sales as my headers. I would go ahead and then select my range of cells where the values are, and then under the home tab, navigate your mouse to format as table. Then you click on it, and after clicking on format as table, you select the color that you want your table to be in. These are light colors, medium colors, and then dark colors. You can also select new table style and then new pivot table style. So we go ahead and then select the light colors, and then you have your table, as simple as that. Okay, so first of all, make sure that you select your range of cells, and then you format as table. You can also apply sort and filter. So you apply sort and filter to the headers, select sort and filter, and then you filter. Okay, so for instance, if I should click on this drop down, then I would uncheck all these boxes. All right, let me deselect all. Let's say that I want to see only the quantity of bananas. I'll go ahead and click on that, and then I have the quantity of bananas, the price, and then the sales that I have in my table. Okay, and then we go back, and then I would uncheck this box, then apply that for grapes or blueberries or kiwis or mangoes or peaches, mangoes, and then I have my values being displayed in the table format for me. Okay, so now in case you don't want to do any of this, or you want to reverse, you just select your range of cells, head over to clear, and then clear format. Okay, so you come back here, then you deselect all. You can remove the filters by just selecting the headers, and then you head over to sort and filter, and then you remove filter, and you wouldn't see any of this. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Make sure you have your headers ready, and then you select your range of cells like this, and then you format as table. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment and I would respond to them. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.